Listen to this clean audio recorded from Google Translate on Android. In 60 seconds I'll show how to record audio from Google Translate on your Android device. Step 1. Open Settings and grant microphone and storage permissions for your screen recorder. Step 2. Open your screen recorder and enable internal or system audio capture in recorder settings. Step 3. Open Google Translate, choose your languages, and prepare the phrase to translate. Start recording, tap the speaker to play the translation, then stop recording when the audio finishes. After stopping, your screen recording saves to files or gallery as a video with clear system audio. If you need an MP3, open a converter app or use an online tool to extract audio from the video file. Troubleshooting: if there's no sound, double-check that internal audio is enabled in the recorder settings. If recordings still fail, confirm microphone and storage permissions and restart the recorder or reboot the phone. Quick recap: grant permissions, enable system audio, record while the Translate speaker plays, then convert if you need audio only. Subscribe for more practical Android tips and tell us in the comments which phone model you use for a custom walkthrough.